Hey guys, my name is Dave, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a fully automated sales workflow with RevHERO. I'll walk you through some of the key features of RevHERO and how they all come together to help you build powerful, automated, multi-channel outreach campaigns. Let's start with the main page. Once you've signed up with RevHERO, you'll land on the Automation Campaigns tab. This is your campaign dashboard, where all your campaigns are listed. For this tutorial, I'll use two types of campaigns. First is the outcome campaigns. This type of campaign automatically follows up based on a specific result or outcome. For example, if someone didn't show up to a meeting, following up after a demo, or if someone I've sent a proposal to and didn't hear back, I can clearly see here what their interest level is. These essentially follow up across multiple channels: emails, LinkedIn, SMS, and even voicemail drops. With these multi-channel follow-ups that run automatically, you'll keep prospects moving toward a decision to close a deal. Now let's take a look inside a campaign. Here you can see different stages. Each step includes a wait time, like wait 2 days or wait 4 days before the next step, and an action, like sending an email or SMS. For example, I might import my deals here, then wait for 30 days before sending out email 1. Every message in the sequence is already built in, but you can actually preview the subject line, the body, and see what gets sent. Then, for SMS and voicemail, you'll see the SMS and correspondence that's being sent out. And for voicemail, I can even upload or preview a pre-recorded audio file that drops directly into someone's voicemail inbox. The campaign continues moving step by step until it completes, keeping it moving forward. Next, I have the swarm campaigns. These types of campaigns are built for mass email cold outreach. Great if you're reaching out to thousands of new prospects. It uses virtual agents that work for the clients, and they send cold emails out using rotating email addresses and domains to avoid spam filters. These campaigns are designed to handle high-volume email cold outreach, sending 50,000 to 100,000 emails per day, all managed by the swarm agents. That way, you can hit massive outreach goals without worrying about getting flagged as spam. Now let's head into the Deals by Stage view. This view shows how your leads or deals move through the campaign sequence. Here, I'm going to enable the Include Lost Deals button. Then I can see every stage in the sequence, along with the number of deals sitting in each one. For example, whoever's in this Wait 0 day stage was in the preceding stage but completed the action. If they're in the Wait 2 day stage, as you can see, these 400 plus thousands, that means they've already received email 1. And then these 4,220 people are waiting to receive email 1 and are queued up for the next step. If I click on the View Deals button here, I can see the actual leads in the campaign. I can mark deals 1 or mark them lost. 1 means they converted, and lost means not interested. And if I click this gear icon and select this option, I can assign one of those outcome campaigns, then RevHERO will take over and handle the follow-up for me. I also make it easy to manage replies by using the phone system. I can reply to people via SMS and also receive emails here whenever someone replies. Here inside the email system, where you engage with emails, especially from the swarm campaigns, you'll see all responses automatically sorted into positive, neutral, and negative buckets. So you can see here if they are interested or not. If someone's positive, you can continue following up. If they're neutral, you can evaluate and decide what to do next. But if they are not interested in the mass email campaign, they're in the negative bucket and will be automatically removed from the sequence. I can also build my own list of leads using RevHERO with the Purchase Lists feature. Just give the keywords like business titles, company names, industry types, and it will search sources across platforms like Google Search, Google Maps, and Yellow Pages to find highly relevant leads for my campaigns. And that's it. That's how RevHERO helps me build and run automated multi-channel outreach campaigns, from follow-ups to cold outreach, list building, and deal management. So, if you want to save time, stay organized, and close more deals, build your own fully automated sales workflow with RevHERO. Sign up for a demo at www.revhero.io today.